Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achut, and today in this class we will execute the 10 commands which we have learned earlier in the previous video. So how can we execute those commands? So the answer is terminal. So click on this button, show applications, and here you can see terminal. Then click on this terminal, the terminal will be open. So terminal is like that. Also your username and at the rate of username hyphen virtual box colon the symbol and the dollar symbol will be there. After that, the commands will be executed. Here we will be having double commands, like we can execute double commands, or you can use both the commands likewise. So simultaneously, you can use two tabs if you want it, and you can search. If you want to search anything, you can find here and you can search here. And these are the full screen, full a new window. For example, if you click on new window will be open. And again, if you want full screen, the full screen will appear. So we have opened the full screen. And if you want to exit the full screen, you can press the F11 keyboard, then it will come back to the normal. See here, it will come back to normal. So you will be having read-only advanced preference. I will help about. You can execute these commands and you can watch what will happen next. And you will be having so 100%, and we'll be having. So this is the size. So if you want big size, it will be size. Based upon your size, you can like your terminal will increase and decrease. So I hope you understand the basic how to use the terminal in Linux. So let us run the basic commands. What is the first command? We have learned ls, right? So ls means list. So it will list how many folders and files is there in the Achut Stark at the rate of Achut Stark virtual box. So these many folders are there: desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, snap, templates, and videos. So these are the list of folders which are present in the Achut Stark at the rate of Achut Stark virtual box. So, and I want to see what is my present working directory. Present working directory. So what is the present directory? I'm in the home. I'm in the Achut Stark. So I'm in the home and Achut Stark. So slash home slash Achut Stark. So I hope you understand what is present working directory. And after that, we are having, and after that, we are having CD. So change directory. So change directory. So I'm in the virtual box, right? So I want to get into the desktop. So I will write CD. CD means change directory to desktop. So I'm into the desktop now. See here, slash desktop. So I'm in the desktop. So in this desktop, I will create a directory. So I will create a directory. So means folder. I want to create a start folder. Start folder. So I have created Stark. So I have created Stark. How can I know whether I have created Stark or not? Type ls. We'll get the folder, Stark folder and Stark. You will be having Stark folder and Stark. So and already a Stark folder is there in the ls in the desktop, and I have created one more file or one more folder Stark. That's it. I hope you understand. So after that, I will be having remove directory. And after that, you will be having a remove directory rmdir. So I have created a Stark, right? So I will delete Stark, remove Stark. So whether I have deleted that directory or not, how can I know? Type a list. It will check and it will display how many folders are there or not. So I have deleted Stark. So the Stark could not be there after clicking ls. See here, the Stark is not there. So we are doing correct. So I will create some folder, and the folder name is hello world. The folder name is hello world. So I will click ls and I'll see hello world is there. Hello world is there. So I will create a, so I'm in desktop, right? I want to go to the hello world folder. So how can I go? CD change directory hello world. This is a folder, right? I'm going to, sorry, CD hello world. So I'm in the hello world. So here I want to create a file. For that I'm using touch. To create a file, I will use touch. So in the hello folder, I am creating a file. So what is the file name? So file name is Achyut underscore start. So I have created a file. So I have created a file. So let us give ls. See, Achyut underscore Stark is there. This is a file. So when you use touch, it is a file. So I hope you understand. And in that Achyut Stark, I want to write some content. How I can? By using nano. So in the previous video, I did not tell you what is nano. So to write any content in the file, I'm repeating again, any content which you want to write in a file, then you will use nano. So nano, the file name, Achyut Stark. So we are getting to the, so this is the window where you can write. What what I am going to write is I am Iron Man. Hello. I am Iron Man. So here, so to save it, please press Ctrl 0, Ctrl X, and see here Ctrl C and Ctrl X and Ctrl Y. So after writing the content, press Ctrl 0, it will save, and Ctrl X. See here Ctrl X, it will exit. Ctrl X. So see, to see whether we have written the comment content right, whether it is saved or not, how can we know? By using cat command. Cat sure start. See here, I have written I am Iron Man, and that content is displayed here. So I hope you understand how we are using nano. So how we are using nano. So I'll display ls, and so here I am having one folder, one file. So I want to create another file in this. That's Achyut underscore star to this file. So let us write ls. So I have two. I have a two files. I have two files in this hello world folder. So if I press cat Achyut underscore Stark, I'm getting Iron Man. And if I press Achyut underscore Stark 2, I don't have anything. So that's why it's not coming anything. So if I want to, if I, I'm repeating again, if I want to copy this content in the Achyut underscore Stark 2, then we will use CP command, copy. CP command, copy. So how we have to write Achyut and space. Achyut. So what I did here, so I have I have written the first folder. So where the content is there in the Achyut underscore Stark, right? So this content is present in the Achyut underscore Stark. So this content I want to store in Achyut underscore Stark too. So that's why first we have to write the where the content is present in that folder name. Here first I have written, and I have to copy this content, like where the content is stored this folder, right? So in that folder, in that file, I have that content. So you copy that content into this file. So in that file, you have to copy. I'm asking to the CP command. I'm asking to the CP command. So it's not cat, it's CP. So it's a copying. So copying one folder content to the another folder. So let us execute this. So it is copied. So how can we know? By simply cat Achyut underscore start to. See, I did not written anything in the Achyut underscore start to. I have written in the Achyut underscore start, but I have copied by using CP command from Achyut underscore start file to Achyut underscore start to file. So I hope you understand. So what is a CP command is doing? So and another command is move command. Another command is move command. So move. So move Achyut underscore start to Achyut. So why I have get this error? Because it is Achyut underscore start. So MV Achyut underscore start to Achyut. So it is synced. So what will happen if we use MV? So we can change the name Achyut underscore start to Achyut. So let us type ls. See, Achyut underscore start to Achyut will be changed. We can rename the files and directories. So and after that we will be having remove. So if you want to remove any file, you can simply use rm Achyut. So we press and ls and Achyut, this folder will be, sorry, this file will be removed. See, only Achyut underscore Stark is there. So these are the basic 10 basic commands which you have to learn in Linux. So I hope you understand this 10 basic commands. If you don't understand anything, any command I have teach you, please comment in the chat so that I can I can be help you out. And so if you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So if you press bell icon and if you select all, then only you'll get the notifications whenever I post the videos in YouTube. Or otherwise, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.